How to set app time limit on your Android device. First of all, go ahead and swipe on your screen and tap on the settings icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you tap on settings, scroll all the way down until you find digital well-being and parental controls. Go ahead and tap on digital well-being and you can see the screen. Now to set app timers, just go ahead and scroll a bit down and you can see the option of app timers. Just go ahead and click on app timers. As soon as you click on it, you can see a bunch of apps. Go ahead and select the app which you want to keep the app timer to, and you can see the set timer on the bottom right hand side. Go ahead and tap on set timer, set the time of limit, how much in a day you want to use the app, and you can also keep in the days and then tap on done. Once you click on done, you can now see that these type of apps have now been in limit. To remove it, it's quite easy as well. Just go ahead and tap on it and then you can see the app limit. You can just go ahead and click on this option over here and tap on set timer. So once you do this, just go ahead and tap on done and there you go. This is how easy it is to set up the app time limit on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.